Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the df-th command. It provides details on your file systems, but unlike the same command without the capital T, it adds the file system type. A good thing to take a look at from time to time and to understand. Linux systems use a lot of different file system types, so here's an example of this command's output. And you can see we have as the second column the type, so that's a file system type right there. And the ext4, like this one down here, and the btrfs, also known as the better file system. That's what some people refer to, betterfs. They're both disk-based, and you can tell because they start over here. The file system starts with dev, where the tempfs and devtempfs file systems do not. They are actually storing their content in memory, and if a system is powered off or rebooted, it will lose whatever it had in those file systems and start over again. So as with the df-h command, we do have a lot of other information. The file system names, of course, the size of the file system, how much space is used and available, the percentage, and where the file systems are mounted. Well, that is your Linux tip for the df-th command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.